Beach, good morning. Good morning. What are you doing? Are you awake? Are you awake? What are you doing? Yeah? Were you sleeping? You were sleeping so good. Mama had to wake you. It's been 12 and a half hours. I'm sorry. I had to look at your little mouth. Your little drooly mouth. I'm right here. Hi, good morning. Good morning, baby. Look at your drooly little mouth. It's so gross. Gross. We're gonna have to clean that. Say good morning, dogs. Beach. Beach. Hi, you sticky butt. Say, my hair is looking crazy. Oh, baby, look at this butt. Beach, come here. Come get me. Hey, say good morning, YouTube. It's just me and the chicken. And now she's awake. She doesn't care about anybody else. But the fun stuff. Beach, hey, Beach. What we do when Papa's not here? We eat. Yum. Huh. What are we eating today? Sweet potatoes and mixed vegetables. Yum. It is, what time is it, guys? It is 10:45. This baby went to sleep at 10 o'clock last night. 10 o'clock last night. And I just woke her up probably about 15 minutes ago. Huh, Beach. Said I need a full night's sleep. Yeah. Huh. So today's vlog is going to be, I'm thinking it's just going to be, well, it's just going to be us for a while. But I'm just going to give you guys a play-by-play of what we do today because I'm not actually sure. We shall see, huh, Beach? Yeah? Cats are getting crazy. Bide, big bide. Raw. Yeah. Ah. Hey, don't you dare. Don't you dare stick your fingers in there. Ooh, no. Gross. We don't want to see that. That's nasty. After this, we have to take care of the dogs. But while I'm doing this, I'm going to pause and watch some Grey's Anatomy. Woot woot. What are you doing? Yeah? I'm just over here chilling. Oh, yeah, you would want that. No. Really? You're drunk. Go home, baby, you're drunk. Gotcha. I gotcha. Look at you. Get it. Say, we're getting ready to go. Bye-bye. We gotta go pick up Shannon from school. Huh, Beach? Huh? Come on. There she is. And she's gone. Okay, so bye. Guys, we're driving. Me and Chicken. We are in the Magnum. Because Bub stole my car. He's in San Francisco with my car. Well, our car. It's really just my car. Anyways, so I'm just going to Liberty to pick up Shannon, and then we're just gonna go home and chill. She's gonna watch the baby while I take a shower. It's actually raining. Can you see? Wait for it. There it is. It's raining. And this lady's over here at the park. but it's raining. But I guess that's okay. Chicken's just in some PJs. I wasn't trying to get, oh, I should have gone. You gonna go? Forgot. Bub forgot the P.O. Box key, guys. So I can't get the Majo. I'll have to get it on the way back. But yeah, that's all. That's all that's going on right now. We will, maybe I'll show you Shannon walking up to the car. She normally looks funky. But yeah, okay, bye. She's locked out. It's raining. Let me see. No. What? Careful. Careful.
I couldn't debate on if this was your car or not, because
you guys, it's pouring. Look at the puddle. It's so black. It's only 5 o'clock. Hey, hey, hey. That's enough. It's not cold per se. Like, this is really, really nice for me. But I like to go over here and show. Look at how crazy wet the ground is over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Too bad it's not.
I want to go run.
Oh. Oh yeah.
You like the rain?
Beach, do you like the rain? Hey, cheese. Cheese! Do you like that rain? It's so pretty.
Good job now.
Oh, so pretty. What is that doing?
Feeling the water?
Yeah, that's what's up. Wait. I think we're gonna go get pizza. Pizza for dinner? I don't know. I've got this little tickle in my throat and it's making me cough. But yeah, we're just waiting for Bubsy to get home. What time is it? It's 5:30. He's getting out right now. And if it's this bad here, he said this was happening in San Francisco earlier today. So hopefully he's okay to drive. I'm sure he will call me, hands-free of course, and we'll see what time he'll be home. Eek! Bitch! What are you doing? Bitch! Chicken!
Stop
No,
calling me!
Really?
Ow!
Yeah. Pull her hair, chicken. Get her. Get her, Beach. Get her. Get her. Get her. Hey, everybody. What's up? It is, what time is it? It is 8:51. It is crazy, crazy, crazy still raining outside. Like pouring down. We ended up going to get some pizza and we just picked up like a water jug and yeah, now we're just chilling. I actually don't feel good about eating that pizza. It was very greasy. But I'm definitely excited to go healthy food shopping tomorrow. Woohoo! Too bad Bubsy won't be here. Hopefully. Do you know if your dad is working in no? No? Well, I probably won't have our car tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to have a car. If not, then I'll have to wait till Sunday, which would be undesirable. So yeah, we're probably just gonna go to bed here. We didn't really do much at nothing. Tomorrow we gotta do laundry and such. But we still have a ton of baby fish. It's exciting. It's exciting, huh, Beach? Huh, Beach, it's exciting. No, you can't have this. Nope, you can't have it. Say it's exciting. Way to just spit your pink out. Look at how tall you are. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. So, yeah. Is there anything else we need to talk about, guys? Bub? What? Bubsies.
Bubsy met a new friend.
Is there an Xbox update?
I don't know. Bubsy's really tired. He's just relaxing and playing for a bit before we go to bed. Chicken is exhausted, even though she slept 12 hours last night, and she took what, a 2.5 hour nap, 3 hour nap today. She's Louise. It's a full moon, guys. It's a full moon. It's a zebra print full moon.
Get out of here with my zebra print.
Oi. So yeah. I'm thinking that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Beej. Huh? Say bye. Say bye, Bob. Beej! What are you doing? Beej! Chicken!
Stop
you
calling me.
Hey everybody, good afternoon world! What are you guys doing? What have you guys done today? What have we done today? It's only 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're kidding. It's 9/11 actually. What have we done today? The only reason why I'm not vlogging is just I don't feel like I need to vlog watching